Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to install a cab file in Windows 10 and explain each step clearly so you can install Windows updates or features without confusion. Step 1. Press the Windows and X keys together on your keyboard to open the Quick Access menu. From this menu, click on Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin, because installing a CAB file requires administrator permission to make system-level changes. Step 2. In the Command Prompt or PowerShell window, type the DISM command and carefully replace the path with the exact location of your CAB file. This step is important because Windows needs to know where the CAB file is stored in order to install it correctly. Step 3. Once the command is typed correctly, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action tells Windows to start installing the CAB file using the DISM tool, which is designed to manage and apply system packages safely. Step 4. Wait patiently while the installation process runs in the background. You should look for a message that says the operation completed successfully, as this confirms the CAB file was installed without errors. Step 5. Restart your computer to apply the changes made by the CAB file installation. Restarting helps Windows fully load the new update or feature so it works properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.